Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to select the home city on your Casio G-Shock GA-2100, so the Casioak. This is going to work for all variations that have the module 5611. So guys, the first thing that you want to do is to press and hold the adjust button for around 3 seconds. You are going to hear a small beep, and the first thing that you can actually set is your home city. Now you are going to find here a bunch of cities, either capitals or cities from bigger countries that have more time zones. So you need to go online and see what city perfectly matches your exact time zone. And you are going to use the two buttons on the right to go either in one direction or the other way around. So we had Berlin, now we have Rome, Paris, Madrid, and so on. And I'm going to leave it at Lis, which is Lisbon. So once you find your correct city, all you need to do is to press the adjust button in case you only wanted to set that, or if you want to set anything else, you can use the mode button in order to scroll between different options, such as setting the time, the date, then to also have the DST function, also how many seconds you want to have on your light, also if you want the tone to be on and off. So once you have everything finished, press the adjust button and you are done. If you want to watch tutorials regarding this model or other Casio watches, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video if you found it useful, and guys, I'm going to see you on the next video.